In front of me is REALME GT8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section called Security and Privacy. Then scroll again and this time tap on Privacy Controls. This way you can access Permission Manager by clicking on it here and finally manage it however you want to. To do that, begin by picking any feature you wanna manage, like camera. Then manage your apps under those categories. In case of my camera, allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, or not allowed. Let's go with from not allowed one. Now it's time to apply the best option for you. In this case, camera access for this app, allow only when using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. Let's go with the first one, so when I tap and go back, I can see that Chrome gained access to my device's camera while I'm using it. But you can also do exactly the same, but manage your apps instead. Let me explain. Pick any feature, select an app you are interested in, and instead of tapping on any of those options to apply them, click on tiny text at the bottom, see all permissions. Then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!